from Seattle, Washington.
Yeah.
Today is a chill day, literally. It's kind of cold. Well, we're definitely not used to this cold weather.
But we're here downtown,
yep.
Just having a little family day with Tony's mom and niece, and we're here at the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. I think it's the biggest one in Seattle.
Yeah, we'll have to fact check that.
Yeah.
But I think it is.
Yeah, so I just wanted to check it out. I do actually really like Starbucks. I am kind of basic like that. And yeah, just see. Let's go.
Yeah, let's head on in. A slice of pizza because they have that at the Starbucks, but I'm gonna try my coffee while it's still hot. I got a mod bar pour over, the medium size, and I chose to get the Bali Couture Volcano Roast. It smells just like coffee. Oh yeah, it's smooth. It's real smooth. It's like a chocolatey flavor, like a mild chocolatey flavor. I think it fits the description quite well. This is my second cup of coffee today, so I might get a little wired, but this is good. I'm gonna enjoy this. So I think I took the wrong tray.
Well, it's not your fault.
I mean, the employee had just called out Laura's name, so I just took the tray, assuming that it was ours, because it was 2 drinks, one that looked like a pour over, and whatever she got. But apparently, that little foam drink that Laura got wasn't the right one.
No.
So she had to go back and get the right drink. It's actually an Americano with a sugar rim around it, which looks pretty good too. It's a long black. I'm not sure if mine is actually a pour over, but it's good nonetheless, and I'll keep drinking it.
I think yours is good. I also got a kind of like a panini. It has mozzarella, arugula, and some tomato. It's really, looks really good. Haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna have some of this. And the coffee. This is very fragrant. It's cardamom long black. Let's see. And that's like a sugar rim, so I just drank it a little bit with the coffee. It's really good.
Hey yo, look at my mom. She's out here on Facebook Live showing all her friends.
Alright.
My mom is being such a photo hub. Look at her. She's trying to get all of these photos, and there's like a line of people.
She gives no F's about anyone else's.
She's kind of like a Chinese tourist right now.
Yeah, just doing anything she wants. Where are we though? Oh, did you say?
Nah, we're at the Fremont Troll, which is
under the.
This is the Fremont Bridge right here, along a like main highway or main road here in Seattle, also known as Aurora or 99.
Yeah.
This is, the troll has a V-dub bug in its hand.
Yeah, it's huge. It's like a real Volkswagen Beetle.
Yeah.
Underneath it. So it just gives you an idea of the size of this statue here.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah. It's cool. Just come take a photo and put your hand inside his nose like you're picking his boogies.
Yeah, the nose is huge and there's like actual nostrils that you could stick your hands in.
We're now at Gasworks Park, which is right here next to Lake Union, across from downtown. This is a pretty cool park. It's really spacious, and also where people come to watch the fireworks during July 4th. So it's a little sunny out, but it's still kind of chilly, or chilly in my opinion. But in Seattle, when the sun comes out and it's like between 60 and 70 is when people start busting out their bathing suits, and people are out here sunbathing already. Gasworks is a pretty iconic landmark in Seattle. It was once an industrial area that was converted into this urban park and named a historical landmark in 1999 by the city. It's been a while since I've been here, but since they've built a playground for kids. A bunch of people are out and about. It's a really nice day in Seattle, and sunbathing as well.
What do you see there?
Dude, there's like a bunch of goats right here.
I know.
It's so random.
Lower the window.
Wow.
Goats in the middle of Seattle.
Maybe they put them there to eat the grass.
Maybe.
Yeah, they eat the needle what? That's why they say live. บางเทื่อเขาซื้อมาเขาเซามันมากินอันนี้ลูก
You're right. What's up? We are at home now. Had a really cool day hanging out in the city. First place was Starbucks. We spent about $22 for 2 drinks and 1 sandwich. It's a little pricey, but we wanted to get that experience under our belt and see what the hype was all about. It's a really cool place, and if you happen to be in the Seattle area, definitely recommend checking out Starbucks if you're a fan of coffee and Starbucks. After that, we just hung out at the park and checked out the Fremont Troll, which are also 2 landmarks in Seattle that I'd recommend checking out as well if you're into seeing some touristic things. But after that, we went to a couple of grocery stores. My mom had to pick some things up for her catering services. She's making some desserts for a party. There's a lot of noise going on in the back because she's preparing, but it's dinner time and my mom is whipping up a feast. We've been pretty spoiled since we've been back here. Every day my mom has been preparing some food for us, and it's really nice to not have to think about that. And I also think my mom is enjoying treating us because I don't come home too often.
Yeah.
And Laura's here.
Or this long too.
Yeah,
This is my first time, my second time in Washington, but
yeah, and we're here for
a month.
A little over a month actually.
Yeah.
Tonight we are having Lao barbecue.
So some beef, fish, some bloody clams, lots of vegetables to do some lettuce wrap.
This meal is called sindat, and it's like Korean barbecue or any type of grill it yourself type of barbecue meal. But my mom is changing things up a little bit and is deciding to cook it on the stove versus on a skillet. Traditionally we just sit on the floor and grill it ourselves, but tonight we're doing we're doing a different version, having it on the stove, sitting at the counter, and so my mom is gonna show us how things are done, and then we're just gonna relax.
กล้องไงให้กล้องมึงเอาเบียร์มาตั้งแม่ให้เบียร์เขาเลยจะซื้อเดี๋ยวโอ้เบียร์ประกาศเนี่ย
To the sisters, they're gonna be jealous.
Alright, so every time my mom cooks something, she takes a photo and sends it to us in our group channel on Facebook just to tease everyone who's not here.
So your
So
sisters get a little jealous.
yeah, so my sisters are getting a little jealous right now because they're seeing all of the food that my mom is cooking. But when they're here, my mom also cooks a bunch of stuff for them and sends it to us. So I'm like really happy to be in the position of eating versus seeing this time around. But my mom is right here. She's gonna show us how it's done.
Yeah.
Go ahead, mom. You're on video. Show us how it's done.
Done this hoi. I don't know what it's called.
Hoi is clam. Those are bloody clams.
Blood clam.
Fish and beef. The stock for pan pa, the pan everything.
To make
Pun
some lettuce
is like a
wraps.
lettuce wrap. So we have some lettuce here and vegetables. Yes, and then we have this. This is on. So if you want some meat, you just cook it yourself.
On low?
It's on very hard load, but มันคุกแล้วก็จังคนนั้น
Mom's doing it with the bloody clams.
I make my lettuce wrap. Got lettuce. I like tomato. I like some cilantro in there. Cucumber. And a little bit of basil. I don't put that much basil. And get a little bit of this meat here. Then put a little bit of this sauce, fish sauce with the peanuts. Right there. Get a little crunch. Just wrap it. And eat it.
Sure, it's nice and wrapped up.
Yep. That was really big bites.
I think we're gonna end the vlog here. Have dinner with the family, relax for the rest of the evening. But hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today.
Tomorrow we're going to Vancouver
Yeah,
for the
Vancouver,
day.
Canada, not
Yeah.
Washington.
Oh, there's a Vancouver, Washington?
Yeah,
Oh, didn't know that.
yeah.
All
Tune
right.
in.
Bye.
Peace.